The Cadillac Escalade has always been packed with luxury, technology, and premium features. But what makes it even more impressive are the small details that many people completely overlook. Some features are hidden in the technology, some are built into the cabin, and others only reveal themselves after spending real time behind the wheel. So today, we're looking at the hidden features of the 2027 Cadillac Escalade that you probably didn't notice. Hidden feature number 1. Personalized driver profiles. One feature many owners never fully use is the ability to create personalized driver profiles. The Escalade is expected to remember seating positions, mirror settings, climate preferences, audio settings, and even certain vehicle functions. This means multiple drivers can jump into the vehicle and instantly feel at home without constantly adjusting everything manually. Hidden feature number 2. Advanced ambient lighting customization. Most people notice the ambient lighting, but few realize how customizable it can be. The 2027 Escalade is expected to offer multiple lighting themes and color combinations throughout the cabin. Drivers may be able to match the interior mood to different driving situations, creating a much more premium experience at night. Hidden feature number 3. Advanced air suspension adjustments. Many owners appreciate the smooth ride but never realize how much work the suspension is doing behind the scenes. The Escalade's adaptive air suspension constantly monitors road conditions and automatically adjusts ride height and comfort settings. The result is a luxury ride experience that feels effortless to passengers. Hidden feature number 4. Advanced voice commands. Most drivers only use voice controls for navigation or phone calls. However, the 2027 Escalade is expected to support a much wider range of commands, allowing drivers to adjust climate settings, media controls, navigation preferences, and vehicle functions without touching the screen. Hidden feature number 5. Rear passenger comfort controls. Passengers in the second row may have access to more controls than many people realize. Depending on the trim level, rear occupants could adjust climate settings, seat functions, entertainment features, and charging options directly from their seating area, creating a first-class travel experience. Hidden feature number 6. Super Cruise Intelligence. Most people know about Super Cruise, but they may not realize how advanced it actually is. The system can monitor traffic flow, assist with lane changes, maintain safe following distances, and help reduce driver fatigue during long highway journeys. The technology works quietly in the background, making every trip feel less stressful. Hidden feature number 7. Hidden storage areas. Luxury doesn't always mean showing everything. The Escalade is expected to include several cleverly designed storage compartments throughout the cabin. These areas help keep personal items secure while maintaining the clean and premium appearance of the interior. Hidden feature number 8. Premium audio fine-tuning. The available AKG audio system offers more than just excellent sound quality. Many users never explore the detailed audio customization settings available within the infotainment system. These adjustments allow passengers to create a listening experience tailored to their personal preferences. Hidden feature number 9. Camera system functions. The Escalade's camera technology does much more than help with parking. The advanced camera system can provide multiple viewing angles, trailer assistance views, and enhanced visibility features that make driving such a large SUV much easier than expected. Many owners only use a fraction of the system's capabilities. Hidden feature number 10. Automatic convenience features. Some of the best luxury features are the ones you barely notice. Automatic seat adjustments, smart climate management, personalized welcome sequences, power access functions, and intelligent cabin settings all work together to make ownership feel effortless. These details may seem small individually, but together they help create the premium experience Escalade buyers expect. Why these features matter? The biggest strength of the Escalade isn't just its size or luxury materials. It's the way Cadillac combines technology, comfort, and convenience into one package. Many of these features operate quietly in the background, improving the ownership experience without constantly demanding attention. That's what separates a truly premium SUV from an ordinary vehicle. And if Cadillac continues refining these details for 2027, the Escalade could remain one of the most desirable luxury SUVs available. So, which hidden feature surprised you the most on the 2027 Cadillac Escalade? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy luxury SUV reviews, future vehicle content, and automotive technology breakdowns, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Autos for more videos like this.